Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today in your 8th standard, you learn about only the square numbers are here. You learn about in your previous class types of numbers. For example, even number, odd number, prime number, composite numbers, and also you learn about all types of numbers are here. For example, natural number, whole number, and also integers, rational, irrational. These like numbers are here. Okay, in your class only study about only square numbers. What are these square numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. These all are even numbers. The square numbers means square number. Square numbers. What are these square numbers? Okay, before studying about the square number, you know about the all mathematics concept in the mathematics, arithmetic as well as algebra. The all algebra and arithmetic is also based on the geometry. In these all types of numbers is our number theory is the only arithmetic. But in the numbers, the square numbers are based on only geometry. In the square numbers, word is this word square is in the geometry. Therefore, we draw one square. Therefore, this is one square. Consider A, B, C, D is the square. You know what in the geometry? Area of square formula. Area of square is equal to what? Area of square formula is only one side into side. Side into side formula is that. Got it? Therefore, you can consider write the square numbers. How to write the square numbers? Okay. In the square, the all sides are equal. Consider the all sides is only 1 meter. 1 meter is that. 1 meter is that. Okay. What is the area of this square? The area is equal to side is 1 meter is that 1 into 1. Therefore, 1 square is equal to only 1. Therefore, square numbers is only 1 is the 1 also square number because the all sides are 1 is that. Therefore, this square is only 1. What about next? Consider the all side is only 2 is the 2 is the 2 is the 2. What is the square of this one? Find out the area of square. The side is 2 centimeter is the. Therefore, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, 2 raised to 2. Otherwise, 0 no problem. Therefore, 4 is also square number. 4 is also square number is the 4 is a square. What about next? Consider 3. Consider 3 is the 3 is the. Therefore, again the area of square is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 3 raised to 2 is equal to 9. Again, 9 is a square number. 9 is a square number. What about next? Consider 4. Consider 4. 4 between each side. 4. Again, there is 4 into 4 is equal to. Therefore, 4 raised to 2 is equal to 16. Again, square number 16 is a square number because in the area of square is equal to same 16 is the consideration of side is 4. Next one, last one, you can consider 5 is the 5. Therefore, area is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to 5 raised to 2 is equal to 25 is also square. 25 is also square. These are all square numbers and included by the diagram of square. Okay, these are all square numbers are. Okay, next you can study about one by one all types of square numbers. Square numbers one by one. Therefore, in first one is consider only numbers. Numbers. One side is numbers. The next one is exponent form. Then for next exponent for next one is what? Square number. Square number. Consider all numbers. You can take any one number. The first one is consider any one number. Therefore, consider only 1. 1 is a number. You can write in the exponent form in 2 times. Otherwise, 1 into 1 exponent form. But exponent is equal to 1 raised to 2. This square number is equal to only 1 because 1 into 1 is except only 1. What about the second one? 2 is this exponent form is 2 into 2 is the exponent is 2 raised to 2. Therefore, square number is only 4. Square number is 4 is the. What about the second one? Third one, consider 3. Again 3 into 3. This is exponent for. Exponent is 3 raised to 2. The square number is 9 is the. Square number is 9. What about next one? Consider 4. 4 into 4. The next one is what? 4 raised to 2. 16 is square number. 16 is square number. And also, next 5 is the 5 into 5. 5 raised to 2. 25 is the. These all are square numbers. And also 6 is the 6 into 6. 6 square and 36 is square numbers. These like square numbers are here. You know what? You can practice all types of numbers are here. Therefore, square numbers once again directly you can write. Directly you can write. Therefore, 1 square is what? Only 1. 2 square is 4. Directly. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. 10 square is equal to 100 is the square number and numbers only. What about next? 11. 11 square number is 121. What about next 12 square number is 144. 13 square number 169. 14 square number. What about next 14? 14 square number is what? 196. Next 15. 15 square numbers 225. 16. What about 16? You don't know multiplication 2 times. That is 16 into 16. 6 is 36. 6 on 6 9 plus 6 1 therefore 6 5 to 200. 56 is a square number. The next one is what? 17. Again 17 is square number. 17 into 17 therefore 49. 11 plus 7 1 therefore 289. 289 is a square. What about next? 18. What is square number of 18? Therefore 18 into 18 again. Therefore 8 is 64 plus 14 plus 8 1 4 2 3 3 to 4 is there. What about 19? 19 again square. 19 into 19 therefore 9 answer 81. 9 17 plus 9 1 therefore 1 6 361. 361 is there. Therefore 20 is what? 400. These are square numbers. What it? Up to you can practice up to 50 or 30 is the more important. Practice more square numbers. Only 1 to 30 or 1 to 40. The next one is what? You can find out. The next one is properties of square numbers. Properties of square numbers are here. Properties of square numbers. Square numbers. What are these properties of square numbers? What are the properties of square numbers? Once again, check yourself once again. Therefore, properties are here. Before studying about the properties, check yourself once again. Therefore, 125 is the. This is a square number. Check yourself once again. This is not a square number. This is not a square number. Next one also. Therefore, 125 is not a square number. And also 625. This is square number. Yes, this is square. And also property is what? Property is you can study about only in the squares. Therefore, property is 1. All square numbers. All square numbers. Square numbers. Square numbers N digit is or unit place is N digit or unit place. Unit place is or unit place is only 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 and 0. These all are only square numbers. All square numbers have unit place only 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 are 0. These all are only perfect square. For example, consider the digit is only 1 is the 4, 9, 6 is the. Again 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Or otherwise again 1, 4 is the 4, 9 is the 9, 6 is the 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0 is the. Okay. The all square numbers have the unit place is only 1, otherwise 4, or otherwise 5, or 6, or 9, or 0. These all are perfect square numbers. For example, next one is what? 23 is the. This is square numbers? No, this is not a square because the unit place is 3 is the. What about next? 24. This is a square number? No. But the unit place also 4 is the. This is also not a square. Only 25 is square number. 25 is square number. Okay? There is only all values in this like it. Next one is what? Second remaining also wise. Not square numbers. Square numbers. Numbers have unit place. Unit place is only 2, 7 and 8. Only these all our numbers are only are not square numbers. 1 is the, 2 is the, and also 3 is the, and also 3. These all are not square numbers. Got it? These types of square numbers are here. The next one is what? The pattern of square numbers are here. Some patterns of numbers, square numbers. Consider the first one is what? The first one is adding triangular number. You know the triangular numbers. For example, this like is the first one is what? Triangle. Only this like triangular. This is triangular is the. Only 3 digits. 3 points are here. Therefore, this is triangle shape is the triangle. The how many points are here? Therefore, 3 points are here. One concept is very easy. The remaining one left is the, that is one left is the, there is 1. Therefore, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is a square number. What about second one? Second triangle is what? Second triangle is this like is the. Therefore, 1 point, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is square triangular number. Again, triangular number is the triangular. In the triangular, how many points are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points are here. 6 plus 3 is the. 3 is remaining left is the. Remaining left. 3 remaining left is the. That is 3 is equal to 9. Again, 9 is a square number. What about next third one? Third one is also triangular number. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is the. Therefore, 1. This is also triangular number. Triangular number is the. Therefore, how many points are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is the. Therefore, 10 plus remaining 6 is the. 6. Remaining left is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Therefore, 6 is equal to 16 is also square number. 16 is also square number. Again, same this like the pattern is what? The triangular base of the square numbers are here. What about next? Adding odd numbers. What are the adding odd numbers are here? Adding odd numbers. Second one, adding odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? First we can write the odd numbers. 1 is odd, 3 is odd number, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and so on. Only adding odd number is all are perfect squares. First one adding only 1 is a square as no problem. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is a square. Got it? 4 is a square. Again, therefore third one. 1 plus 3 plus 5. This also 9 is a 9 is also perfect square. What about next? Next one is what? Third one. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to what? Again 16 is a 16 also square number. What about next? Again same consecutive odd numbers. Fourth one. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. This also 25 is the 25 is also square number. Again same this like also here. Therefore 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equal to 36 is that. This is also 36. Therefore, the only addition of or adding the odd number you can get a perfect square side. Only consecutive odd numbers, consecutive only these two, again these three, again 4. This like 4 is square, 9 is also square, 16 also square number, 25, 36, and goes on increasing this like also. What about next one is what? The sum of consecutive natural numbers. Some numbers are here is the natural number. These are perfect squares are here. What are the perfect squares? Some natural numbers are here. Therefore, what are the natural numbers? Consecutive natural number. First one is what? Therefore, first one 4 plus 5. The next, second one 12 plus 13. The next one, third one 24 plus 25, and so on. And also 40 plus 41. The next, sixth one 60 plus 61, and next one 112 plus 113. These all are consecutive natural numbers are here. Consecutive two natural numbers. Only 4 and 5 is serial numbers are here. 4 plus 4 and 5 are natural, as well as these two sum is 9 is the perfect square. And also next 12 and 13 is the serial numbers are here, consecutive numbers. Therefore again 12 plus 13 is 25 is perfect square. And also next one is 24 and 25. 24 and 25 also serial number is there, and also consecutive numbers. These two sum is 49. 49 numbers are here. Next one is the 40 plus 41 is there. 40, 41. These two are serial number, otherwise consecutive numbers. These two sum is 81. That is also perfect square. What about next? 60 and 61 is a perfect square. Serial number and also consecutive number. These two sum is what? 121 is perfect square. 112 plus 113 is equal to, these two are serial number. These two sum is what? 225 also square number. Okay, 9 is a square number. Which square number? That is 3 into 3. 3 square numbers. This 25 is 5 into 5. 49 is 7 into 7. 81 is 9 into 9. What about 121 square number? That is 11. 11 into 11. 225, that is 15 into 15 is that. These all are square numbers, some factors in the consecutive natural number. This is over, second also over, this also over. What about next? The product of two consecutive even numbers are, otherwise all numbers are here. Check question once again. The product of consecutive even or odd is the next one pattern. The next one, that is the fourth one pattern. The product of only consecutive. Product of first one is 11 into 30 is equal to first one number. Next 13 into 15. Next 29 into 31. Next 44 into 46. This like numbers are here. The sum only choose the sum product of numbers. Okay. The next one is what? Product of two consecutive even number or odd numbers. That is also perfect squares are here. Consider 11 and 13, the consecutive odd numbers. 11 next is 13 is there is the odd number. These two are consecutive odd numbers. These two product is also perfect square. Check yourself once again. Therefore, 11 into 13. You can directly do this like 13 into 11 is equal to 13 plus 1 3 4 1 is there. 1 4 3 is there. 1 4 3 is there. Again once again 3 plus 3 143 is there. 143 is the square number. Check yourself once again. 143 is the square number. 143 is not a square number, same as it is, no problem. Next again 15 13 into 15. What about next? 15 into 13 multiplication. 3 5s are 15. 3 1 are 3 plus 4 5 1, therefore 5. Next one is 9 is the 195. Therefore again 195 is the 195 is not a square number. Next one is what? 29 into 31. These two are consecutive odd numbers are here. Again therefore 29 into 31. 2 9 plus 3 9s are 27. 2 3s are 6 and 8 is the 9. 9 8 is the. Therefore 899 is the square number? No. 899 is also square number. We want squares. Only simple pattern is the. Next one is what? 44 into 46. 46 into 44. The even numbers are here. Consecutive even numbers. 4 6 are 24. 4 4 is 16. 60 plus 2 is 80. Again plus 4 8 1. Therefore 4 12 10 2 is the. 2024 is the. This is also a square number? No. This is also not a square. You can check yourself once again how to rearrangement of the numbers. How to rearrangement of the numbers. For example, first one is 143 is the. This is not a square number. You can rearrangement of this one is what? Therefore 144 minus 1. What it? 144 minus 1. Therefore 144 is square numbers. That is 12 square. 1 is also square number. Therefore 12 square minus 1. This is also pattern. Next one is what? 195. 196 is 14 square. Therefore 196 minus 1. Got it? 196 is what? That is 14 square. Therefore 14 square minus 1 is that. What about next? This one is what? Therefore 899. We can rearrange 900 minus 1. Therefore 900 is what? 30 square. 30 square minus 1 is the. 30 square minus 1 is the. What about next one? This one is what? 2024. 2024 is what? 45 is the. 45. The square number of 25. This like is the. Therefore 2025 minus 1 is equal to. 2025 is which square numbers? Multiplication is like 45 into 45. 45 into 45. 5 5 is 25. 5 4 is 20. 22 plus 5 4 is 20. 4 4 is 16. 18. Therefore 5 2 10 2 is therefore 2025 is a square number of 45. Square number of 45 square minus 1. These are the patterns of square numbers. The last one, the product of two consecutive even or odd numbers. These are also we can rearrange in the square numbers. These like numbers are here. Okay. The last one is what? Some more patterns are here in your square numbers. Study about some patterns. First one is what? You know what this like? 1 is equal to only 1. Next, 11 square is equal to 11 square equal to 121. The next 111 square is equal to again 1 2 3 2. What is that? 1 2 1 3 1. This like this. Same. Next, same like systematic way. systematically. 1 square is as it is, no problem, only 1. Next 11 square is equal to 1 to 1. Next 111 square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. What about next? 1111 square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. What about next? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 whole square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These like numbers are here. This is one of the interesting patterns is that all are square numbers, square numbers, square numbers, square numbers. These are all square numbers. This is also one pattern. What about next pattern? Next one pattern is the study about next pattern. Next pattern is the therefore 7 square is equal to 49. 67 square is equal to 4489 is the. Again 667 whole square is equal to 444889 is the. Again 6667 whole square is equal to 444889 is the. The next one also 66667 whole square is equal to 444889 is the. These like numbers patterns are here. This also very interesting patterns are here. Okay, only the study about only patterns, the square numbers patterns are here. Okay, these are all so many patterns are here in the mathematics. You can study about more patterns in your homework. You can create the some patterns in your square numbers. And also, dear students, you know about the 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Okay, remember the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. Got it? Next again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. This like numbers are here in your square type numbers. 1 into 1 is only 1 square is there. 2 into 2 is that is square is 1 square. Next square. 3 into 3 again square is there. This like square is there. Again square. Next 4 into 4 is also square is there. Next 5 into 5 is also 1 square is there. This like square is there. Next 6 into 6, that is 6 into 6 is 36. 36 is also square number. This is 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. The next one is what? 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49 is also square number. What about next? 8 8s are 64 is also square number. The square in the same is also square, the number also square numbers. Again same as it is 9 9s are 81 is also square number. The last one is 100 also square is. Just like the square numbers are here. You can study about more square numbers and also practice 1 to minimum 1 to 30 square numbers are perfect. Got it? Next one is what? Square root numbers are here. Next one. Next one is what? Finding the square of the numbers. How to find out the square numbers? How to find out the square numbers? First of all, without actual multiplications. You don't do directly. It's like 39 square is what? Solution. The first one is what? 39 square is equal to what? 39 into 39. You can don't do directly this like. Therefore, 39 into 39. Without actual multiplication. You can write this like. Therefore, 39 square is equal to bracket of 40 minus 1 whole square. In the form of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is that. Therefore, our formula is what? Formula is what? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Apply this formula. Therefore, a means 40, b means 1 is that. Therefore, 40 whole square minus 2 into a means 40, b means only 1 is that plus 1 square. Therefore, answer is what? 40 square. 4 4s are 16 00 minus 40 into 2, 80 plus 1. What about next? 1600 minus 80, 1520 plus 1, therefore 1521 is the square number. 1521 is the square number of 39. This is your without actual multiplication. What about next? Right is the. What about next? Second one is what? Second one is 42 is the. Again you can do find out the square numbers without actual multiplications. Second one is what? 42 is the. 42 you can write this like 40 plus 2 whole square. The formula is what? A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. This like formula is the. You can apply this formula. Got it? Our formula is what? 40 plus 2 whole square is equal to 40 square plus 2 into otherwise B square. 2 into 40 into 2 plus 2 square. Therefore, again 40 square is what? 16 is the 16,600 plus 2 to the 4. 4 for the 16. 1 0 plus 4 is the. Again, therefore, addition of these 1,600 plus 1 700. The next 64 is the. This is the square number of 42. What about next one? Third one also here. Otherwise, third one is what? 30 plus 3 whole square. Third one. 30 plus 3 whole square is therefore 30 square plus 2 into 30 plus into 3 plus 3 whole square. Therefore, 30 square is what? That is 900 plus 900 into 2 3 are 6. 6 3 are 18. 1 0 plus 9. Therefore, answer is what? 900 plus 100 is 1000. 1089. 89 is the square number. 1089 is the square. Again, same as 25 square number. 25 square number is exactly 250 is the 225. We can do it without actual multiplication. Therefore, 25 multiplication 20 plus 5 whole square is equal to 20 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 20 into 5. Therefore, 20 square means what? 400. 5 means 25 plus 2 to the 4. 4 5 is 20. 4 5 is otherwise 20 means 200 is 200. Therefore, 400 plus 200 is 600. 600 plus 25 is 600. 25 is the square number. Got it? These like numbers are here. You can find out the square numbers. Last one is Pythagorean triplets are here. Pythagorean triplets. Our Pythagoras theorem is what? The hypotenuse square is equal to base square or adjacent square plus opposite square plus height square is that. Height square or otherwise hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Therefore, consider the all our square numbers are here. Consider 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Therefore, 5 means 25 square. 3 square means 9 plus 4 square is 16. Therefore, 25 is equal to 25. Same as it is. Therefore, Pythagorean triplets are 3, 4 and 5 are triplets. Pythagorean triplets are here. Or otherwise, the next one is what? Pythagorean triplets and also 6, 8, 10 is there. 6, 8 and 10 are Pythagorean triplets. For example, 10 square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square means 100 is equal to 8. 6 square means 36 plus 8 square means 64. Therefore, again 100 is equal to 100 is the. These are Pythagorean triplets. Got it? Practice more example in your textbook. I shall continue next class.